Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy snack only with boiled potatoes and guess what? Hot dogs. So I'm going to stuff these hot dogs in boiled potato and show you how to make this wonderful potato chop. Okay, so let's get started how to make this chop and let's begin. I'm going to start by taking half a kilo of boiled potatoes. I've peeled them and I've put them in the bowl now. So let's first go ahead and add 2 medium-sized onions chopped very finely. Okay, you can see how finely I've chopped them. And let's quickly add the seasoning. For the seasoning, first I'm going to add garlic powder. Let's add about a teaspoon of garlic powder. If you like garlicky taste, you can add some more. To make it nice and spicy, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of chili flakes. Next, I'm going to add oregano seasoning. Let's add about a teaspoon of seasoning. Next, I'm going to add finely chopped cilantro. If you have parsley available, you could use that. At the moment, I just have cilantro available, so I'm going to use this. Finally, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of starch. You could use any starch you want, potato starch, tapioca or corn starch. I'm using corn starch that's readily available today. Now let's start mixing it well. I have not added salt to my mixture because the seasoning already had salt in it. You can always taste it, and if you need more salt, add it. This small baby size hot dogs. What I'm going to do is first take some potato and I'm going to cover this up. So I'm going to cover this like this from all sides and form into a nice patty. So with the potatoes, I made around 8 patty. So I've got 8 big ones now. Let's go ahead and first, before we fry them, let's crack an egg. And beat the egg really well. Going to be shallow frying them, so let's add oil. So once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to turn the flame to medium so that and I'm going to take one of the patty and dip it in the beaten egg, and I'm going to put it up. Make sure your flame is turned to low so that it cooks from inside and just does not become golden from outside. Go. My potato chops are ready. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Don't forget to click on the like button and also the bell icon so that you get notification about the next recipe I will be posting on my channel. I hope you will try this at home. Such a wonderful dish. You must try it. It's delicious to eat. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time with my next recipe. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.